Sabal Khair students, my name is Arwa and my channel name is Arwa and Physics. So my student, I got a paper from my student, this sample paper from CBSE, and I'll try to upload more and more videos from sample paper. So just subscribe my channel as so that you will get more and more videos. This is my first question from the sample paper, CBSE class 10 sample paper of physics. Okay, the question says which of the following mirror is used by a dentist to examine a small cavity in a patient's teeth. Okay, and the options: convex mirror, concave mirror, plane mirror, and spherical mirror. Students, many of you know the answer very well, that which options which options is correct. But let's try to solve or get. I'll just give you more deep concept about it. Look students, if you say convex mirror is the correct option, let's say convex mirror you are saying is the correct option. So students, convex mirror is like this. You have convex mirror like this. Sorry, my diagram is not very good. So this is, since this is a circle, so there must be a focus and there must be a center. As you just complete the circle, there will be a center, there will be a focus. Okay, of course you have to put your object behind this side of the mirror, because this is not polishing side and this is the polished side. Okay, now students, if you have studied about convex mirror concept, you always get an image which is very small in size. One image is very diminished when object is at infinity, and when you place your object anywhere between pole and infinity, then you will get a diminished, very diminished image. So image is diminished, it means this one is not a correct option. Only two cases are there in convex mirror. One, you will get a point size image, that is diminished, and other image is also very diminished, very small sizes compared to the size of the object. So of course convex mirror is not an option. Let's go towards the concave mirror. What concave mirror says? Concave mirror. Students, in concave mirror you have two. Concave mirror produces enlarged image. Okay, so of course correct option is concave mirror. But students, if they have given you two figures, look, if they have given like this, suppose this is my concave mirror. Okay, since this is my circle, so there must be a center and there r by 2 is my focus. Okay, so I got an image. Suppose this is my object is between F and C. If the line is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it will pass from the focus. Okay, and then we have one more that is passing from the center of curvature. If you do like this, just center of curvature, if it is passing, then you will get an, of course it is inverted and enlarged image, correct? Inverted and enlarged image, no doubt. Now the second case in concave mirror is when the object is between pole and focus, and this is my center of curvature. Okay, if you just complete this circle, you will get a center and r by 2 at focus. Okay, so at between P and F, if you put your object between P and F, parallel to the principal axis, ray parallel, then after reflection pass from the focus, and if you will get this thing. Okay, a line goes like this, and you are looking, you can see it is just diverging, lines are diverging. Okay, after reflection the rays are diverging, so of course they will never meet at this side. You have to just extend at the back of the mirror, and if you just draw it like this, then you get enlarged image, virtual, erect and enlarged, and here you are getting real image, enlarged image, but real and inverted. So if they have given this type of figure, which option is correct? Look, concave mirror produces enlarged image. What doctor used to do, suppose we have this our mouth and we have a teeth, and let's say there's a cavity in our teeth. So what doctor used to do, doctor place the mirror like this, and this cavity gets enlarged by the mirror, correct? So students, carefully look, the cavity is very close to the mirror, that is between pole and focus, correct? Your object, that is your cavity, your teeth, is very close to the mirror, that is pole and focus. The object is very close to the mirror. It means it is in between pole and focus. So correct diagram is this. So it is produced, concave mirror produce virtual, erect and enlarged image. So of course in question they just have asked about which of the following is correct. Convex, concave. So of course concave is correct option, no doubt. But if they have given you for convex and in concave they have given you two figures, so this figure is correct because the object is very close to the focus. It means it is in between pole and focus, so it is producing real and enlarged image. Not erase, sorry, virtual and erect and enlarged image. So hope this question you understands well. In coming days I will try to upload more and more videos, so hope you like it, and if you have any queries do comment me. I will definitely try to solve your problem, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.